Ayanga namba migoyo nono maonge chudo kata toll free call center ne customers mekgi duto. Koloso e kinde sidho ayanga namba manyien CEO mar kambino manoeri migosi Jacob Okoth owacho ni service noero biro konyogi e tiyo ne customers mekgi maber kendo mapiyo ka bende customers biro yudo yot e yudo products mekgi duto.
So with more customers coming on board, we also have to dimension our services appropriately to be able to take care of the challenges or of the insights that our customers would like to share with us. So it was very, very important that we expand and also consolidate into one location where we are then able to effectively manage whatever challenges they are facing, handle their queries effectively, pick their calls in a timely way as we enable them, pay for their tokens in a stress-free manner. We have a toll-free line, so our customers call us without having to pay, because it's very important that we are accessible to them and they're accessible to us. We have a raft of services. So we have the portables, the small lamps, whereby you don't even need a candle in your home, because we have a product called the Year 2, which is very affordable. And we have also the lantern plus charging, where you can charge your phone as you enjoy light. We then move to the entry-level solar home systems, because looking at the different circumstances of our customers, we need to be able to cater for all of them. So we have the entry-level solar home systems, and then we have the mid-range solar home systems, and then also the upper range solar home systems. Now what you're talking about are the accessories. So we do have accessories like TVs, and of course, basis the payment pattern of our customers, they can access our TV services as well. And also those who can prove, at the point of entry, when they're interested, we ask a certain set of questions. If they can prove to us that they have the capability of, maintaining, not just paying the deposit, because in the long run, they have to pay either daily, weekly, monthly to be able to pay for the service. So, basis that field underwriting, we assess the risk. Then we can decide whether we shall sell the entire unit together with the TV. So we have 22-inch TVs, 24-inch TVs, as well as 32-inch TVs. Yeah. And also mobile phones. Yes, we do have we have big plans for our customers. All I'd say is they should very soon they will hear from us. We have very many exciting things planned for them. So in the next couple of days, we shall be unveiling the kind of offers that we have for them. But we are also aware that the COVID scenario has not been a good one, not only for Kenya, but globally. So we are also looking for ways in which we can assist our customers go through the COVID, the COVID pain. Recently, we were able to help some of our customers with the repayments, with the tokens, in partnership with Shell. So we are always looking for innovative ways in which we can ensure that our customers continue enjoying the light, because they deserve it. Simply because they live in off-grid areas or because they have unreliable power doesn't mean that they don't need to have light. Doesn't mean that they don't need entertainment. They need it like any other Kenyan who lives in grid areas. So we have a lot coming for our customers. Just stay tuned.
We actually operate up to 10 now because of the current situation, the COVID situation. However, what we have done also is we have our online handles that actually operate 24/7, and we have a lot of support that we are giving through our USSDs that would enable customers to be sorted even when we've closed the shops. Yes, we actually have a range of products. We are a supermarket on our own, because if you look at the products we have the smallest lantern. It's called an A2, and it's going for 400 shillings. So if you look at that, it means for those who are struggling with even a candle, You could easily now go in and get our 400 shilling A2. We have in the cash portfolio, we have almost 9 different products ranging from 400 to 2,500, and then we have our PayGo. Our PayGo systems are also not just the TV. We even have phones. We have a phone called M100. We have now a phone called M1000, and we are continually innovating to ensure that our customers actually are able to meet their ambition.